Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of our podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Thanks for joining us today. We've got a fun topic that many of you will enjoy. English slang words you should know.
Yes, learning slang is super important if you want to sound like a native speaker. It helps you understand movies, songs, social media, and conversations with friends.
That's so true. Sometimes people learn formal English, but when they talk to native speakers, they get confused because of all the slang.
Exactly. So today, we'll teach you some common and useful slang words and phrases that will help you sound more natural in English.
Let's get started. The first slang word is cool. When you hear someone say, "That's cool," they don't mean it's cold. It means something is good, nice, or impressive.
Right. For example, if you show me your new car, I can say, "Wow, that's cool." It means I like it.
The next word is hang out. This means to spend time with someone in a relaxed way. Like, I'm going to hang out with my friends this evening.
Yes, it's very common in casual conversations. Instead of saying spend time, native speakers often say hang out.
Here's another one. Bummer. If something bad happens or if you feel disappointed, you can say, "That's a bummer."
For example, I lost my wallet today. And your friend might say, "Oh, that's a bummer." It shows sympathy in a casual way.
Next is chill. This word can mean to relax or stay calm. Like, let's just chill at home today.
And sometimes people say chill out if someone is angry or stressed. It means calm down.
Very true. Another common slang word is broke. It means having no money. For example, I can't go shopping, I'm broke this week.
Yes, many students might say that often. I'm broke because they don't have extra money.
Now, here's a modern slang word, ghosted. It means when someone suddenly stops replying to your messages without explanation.
Oh, yes. Like if you're texting someone and they suddenly stop answering, you can say, "I think he ghosted me."
Another fun one is no worries. It means it's okay, or don't worry about it. If someone says, "Sorry, I'm late," you can reply, "No worries."
That's polite and casual. Next, we have couch potato. This is used for someone who spends a lot of time sitting and watching TV.
Like on weekends, I become a couch potato, just watching shows all day.
Me too. Another word is savage. If someone says something clever but a little rude, people might say, "Wow, that was savage."
For example, if someone makes a funny but sharp comment, others might say, "You're savage." It's often used in a playful way.
Let's also talk about lit. If something is exciting or fun, you can say, "That party was lit."
Yes, it means the event was amazing or full of energy.
Another one is salty. This means someone is upset or angry about something small. Like, he's salty because he lost the game.
That's a funny one. Next is flex. To flex means to show off, usually about something you have. Like, he's always flexing his new phone.
Right. And when someone is shady, it means they're acting suspicious or not being honest.
For example, I don't trust him. He's acting shady.
Here's another, GOAT. It stands for the greatest of all time. People use it to talk about someone who is the best at something.
Like, Michael Jordan is the GOAT of basketball.
Exactly. And let's not forget about hyped. If you're really excited about something, you can say, "I'm hyped for the concert tonight."
That's a great word. Also, low-key means something done quietly or secretly. Like, I'm low-key excited about the trip.
Yes, it shows excitement, but not too openly. Lastly, we have squad. It means your group of friends.
For example, I'm going to the movies with my squad.
Let's quickly recap all these slang words. Cool, hang out, bummer, chill, broke, ghosted, no worries, couch potato, savage, lit, salty, flex, shady, goat, hyped, low-key, and squad.
That's quite a list. Listeners, try using these words in your conversations to sound more like a native speaker.
Absolutely. And don't worry if you forget some. Keep listening to native speakers, movies, and shows. You'll hear these words a lot.
Thank you for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more fun and easy English lessons.
We'll see you next time with another exciting topic. Until then, stay cool and keep practicing.
Bye, everyone.